Okay, the Volcano Station is going to be a lot of fun. You're going to have printed directions on how to do it. I'm just going to walk you through like what that'll be looking like as you communicate. I do not have the printed directions with me right now, but you'll read the steps. So the first step is going to be that students will need to get clay and roll it in a ball. So you might give the students an opportunity to ask, want, and then they can point to clay. Most of their devices likely will not have clay on it, so they can say want clay, or they can also say want that. Some of your students might be working on 3-word phrases, so what they could communicate here is I want that. And then you can teach them to, when you say that, point to what you want. When you say that, do you mean clay or do you mean baking soda? So teaching them that pointing process is going to be important. So after they roll the clay and after they make a ball, they're going to stick their finger in it, so you can always model, okay, your finger's going to go in and push, 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 push it out. From there, students are going to have to put in baking soda. So for this, baking soda is white. It's just a white powder. So you can talk to students about this, and you can mention to them, oh, this isn't in your device, but look, it's white. White. So they can say, I want the white stuff, So they can do that, and that can be added. Additionally, you have colors that they can choose from. So once the baking soda is added, they're going to add food coloring. So you can model the colors. You can say we've got green, we've got yellow, we've got blue, and we've got red. And then you can ask them, you can say, I have a question for you. What color do you want? And then they can choose the color that they want. And again, they can do this from their communication device. And then once they choose the color, and they can request. Now remember, some of your students are working on 3-word phrases, so it could be I want and then their color. Some of your students might be working on 1 word where it's just giving you the color that they want. Okay? And then the final step is the vinegar. And this is where we can work on that word of the week, but we can talk about how the vinegar will go in, and then we talk about look what's going to happen. Okay? So that's how we'll work on communication during the volcano activity.